Assembling your KitchenAid food processor. Secure the work bowl onto the base, aligning the handle with the raised portion extending from the base. Then, place the power shaft into the work bowl and secure your desired accessory. With the feed tubes removed, attach the lid by inserting the latch into the slot on the work bowl handle. Close the lid and push the lid hinge down into the locked position. To start processing, press and hold the pulse button to quickly mince or puree your ingredients, or press the low or high buttons to run continuously. When finished, press the off button and wait for the blade or disc to come to a complete stop. Remove the lid and blade accessory from the work bowl. Lift the work bowl from the base and remove your food. Prep with precision every day with the food processor from KitchenAid.